What's going on, guys? It's Maddie and John here with Best Price Nutrition. Check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com. Check us out on all the social media platforms, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Today, we don't have a product to try, which is surprising, but we did do another holiday bake-off within the office, and John's going to go over the rules that we had to follow.
So we did a bake-off last year. Only a couple of us participated last year,
and
but
I won.
You won. We're doing the same thing again. We got a lot more people from the office participating. Pretty much the rule is do a bake or no bake good. So it could be some type of protein bar, protein ball, protein cookie, some kind of protein snack. And you had to use 2 scoops of protein, which winds up being around 5 grams of protein per bar, per cookie, whatever it is you make. And so we're going to be trying, I think we probably got, 5, 7 different snacks to try. So we're going to be showing you guys the 5 or 7 different snacks that people have made. And then we don't have it up yet, but we'll be doing a blog post with some of these recipes. So if you guys want to try to recreate any of these recipes at home, we'll give you guys a recipe. And I think we'll probably also let them know which protein was used in various snacks. You think you're going to win again this year?
I don't know. I got more competition this year, so we'll see.
We'll see. So, hang on in just a minute here. You guys are going to see everyone trying the different snacks, and as soon as we roll out that blog post with everybody's recipes, we'll go ahead and put it in the link down below. Okay, guys. So round 1 of the protein. What are we calling this? Protein bake-off.
Holiday bake-off.
Holiday protein bake-off. Half the office here forgot to bring their stuff in, me included. So we have 3 options today. Everyone will be coming in and trying this, and we'll be doing round 2 on Friday.
Yes.
We got Maddie here made
Rice Krispie protein
balls. Stole my idea.
Sorry.
And you use...
I use the high-tech precision chocolate-flavored protein powder.
Okay, Jeff made the peanut butter protein balls.
Yeah.
He used Nuts and More peanut butter.
And then
isomorph protein. And then we have Abby here, who I got to give Abby some points for uniqueness.
She made flan.
She made flan. I would have never thought to do a protein flan.
Me neither.
And she used Axe and Sledge farm-fed salted caramel protein.
So, John's going to be our first victim. He's going to write down his ratings on a Post-it note and stick it in each cup after trying it. guys, so we are at the end of our bake-off, and we wanted to let you know who the winner is and the top 3.
So everyone saw all the tasty treats drawer.
Yes.
Protein balls, protein popcorn, Scotcheroos. What else do we have? Brownies.
Rice Krispies.
Flan.
Flan. Was that it?
There are a couple more things. So a lot of good treats.
And in third place was John O. with his brownies. In second place was this guy with his Scotcheroos. And our winner for the holiday bake-off was Amber and her caramel popcorn mix. It
was delicious, but we're questioning how much protein actually went into that caramel popcorn per serving.
Well, I also questioned the brownies.
True. So Amber won. She's getting a $50 gift card to our store. If you guys are in the Chicagoland area, Northwest Indiana, or Wisconsin, check out our Capital Nutrition and Supplement Warehouse stores, kind of our sister stores.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's the winner. If you guys would like the recipes to any of the protein treats that we made, drop a comment down and let us know. We'll probably eventually get around to collecting recipes from everybody and doing a blog post. But if there's one you especially want to see, let us know, and we'll let you guys know, and or maybe have them make it on video.
Yeah. That's all I got. See you guys.
So we wanted to bring you the results of the end of the bake-off. My food was the most delicious, and it won. I got the most votes,
the
highest score, and people absolutely loved my Scotcheroos.
You're such a liar. Alright guys, so we are at the end of our bake-off and we just got one. Alright guys, so we're at the end of our bake-off and we just wanted to let you know who won and who were our top 3 for the bake-off.
I'm pleased to announce that I won. Everybody loved my Scotcheroos.
He did not win. He came in second.
So Amber won, right?
Are we keeping that?
Yeah.
Yes, Amber did win with her caramel popcorn.
Although we are all questioning how much protein was actually in the caramel popcorn.
It's